How to delete items from inventory on Roblox. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Roblox. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now at the top left corner, you can find 3 bars. Click on it. Different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of inventory. Open it. Under inventory, you're gonna find different categories. Head towards the category from where you want to delete the item. I have selected classic clothing and then classic shirts. And with that, you will be directed to the page where you can find all of your items. Now you have to head towards the item that you want to delete. Even though you delete the item, the Robux you spend to purchase that won't be recovered. Now to delete any of the item, go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, now at the top right corner you can find that icon. You have to click on it. With that, you will get the option of delete inventory. Now you will get the confirm pop-up. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this item from your inventory? You have to go ahead and click on the option of yes. And with that, your item will be deleted from the inventory on Roblox. By applying the same process, you can delete any item from any inventory on Roblox. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily delete items from inventory on Roblox. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.